Inside Chicago's $8.5 billion airport rebuild, Chicago's O'Hare International Airport, nestled on the city's northwest side, has long been a symbol of American aviation prowess. Serving as a vital global transportation hub, O'Hare has borne witness to decades of change, growth, and innovation in air travel. Now, it stands on the cusp of another transformative chapter in its history, with an ambitious $8.5 billion redevelopment project poised to redefine the airport for the 21st century. The historical significance of O'Hare. O'Hare International Airport, named after Lieutenant Commander Edward Butch O'Hare, has a storied history deeply intertwined with the growth of American aviation. Since its dedication in 1949, O'Hare has played a pivotal role in the evolution of air travel. Situated in Chicago's northwest side, it emerged as a crucial transportation hub due to its strategic location within the United States. In the post-World War II era, as air travel gained momentum, O'Hare quickly rose to prominence. Its central location within the country made it an ideal point of connection for both domestic and international travelers. This, in turn, spurred economic development not only in Chicago but also in the wider Midwest region. Over decades, O'Hare became synonymous with American aviation prowess, exemplified by its world-class facilities and services. Its iconic terminals, such as Terminal 1, United Airlines, and Terminal 3, American Airlines, have been witnesses to countless travelers' journeys and marked their own place in the annals of aviation history. The need for a transformation. Despite its illustrious history, O'Hare International Airport faced an array of challenges as it entered the 21st century. These challenges stem from the very success and popularity that had propelled it to its current status. As air travel continued to grow exponentially, O'Hare grappled with several pressing issues that hindered its efficiency and the overall passenger experience. First and foremost, congestion had become a significant concern. The airport's terminals and runways were often operating at or above capacity, leading to delays and frustration among travelers. The inefficiencies in the layout of the airport also exacerbated this problem, with travelers having to navigate a complex web of terminals and concourses. Outdated infrastructure was another pressing issue. Many of the airport's facilities, originally designed to cater to the needs of a different era of air travel, were no longer up to the task. This included aging terminals, taxiways, and air traffic control systems that were struggling to meet modern safety and operational standards. Furthermore, the competition from other major airports in the region, such as Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport and Los Angeles International Airport, presented a challenge. These airports had undergone extensive modernizations, leaving O'Hare in need of a substantial overhaul to remain competitive. The vision and objectives. The $8.5 billion O'Hare Airport rebuild represents a visionary project aimed at addressing these pressing challenges and positioning the airport for the future. The primary objectives of this monumental undertaking are nothing short of transformative. Increasing capacity. Central to the project is the imperative to increase O'Hare's capacity. The airport aims to accommodate a higher volume of passengers and flights without the crippling congestion that has plagued it in recent years. By expanding its capacity, O'Hare will be better equipped to handle the growing demand for air travel. Modernizing infrastructure. The heart of the project lies in the comprehensive modernization of the airport's infrastructure. This encompasses the overhaul of terminals, runways, and air traffic control systems. These improvements will not only enhance the airport's operational efficiency, but also ensure the safety and security of all travelers passing through O'Hare. Improving passenger experience. The passenger experience is a key focus of the redevelopment. Travelers can look forward to a host of enhancements, including upgraded amenities, streamlined security procedures, and a more user-friendly layout. The goal is to make the journey through O'Hare as seamless and enjoyable as possible, setting a new standard for airport travel. Environmental sustainability. Beyond the immediate goals of capacity and efficiency, the O'Hare rebuild places a strong emphasis on environmental sustainability. This includes initiatives to reduce the airport's carbon footprint, improve energy efficiency, and minimize the impact of operations on the surrounding environment. In an era of increasing environmental consciousness, these efforts are crucial for the long-term viability of the airport. Innovative design concepts. The $8.5 billion airport rebuild at O'Hare is not just about addressing functional deficiencies. It also aims to redefine the airport experience through innovative design concepts. These concepts not only enhance the functionality of the airport, but also create an aesthetically pleasing and culturally enriching environment. Terminal redevelopment. The heart of the passenger experience lies within the terminals. The project involves reimagining these spaces, with an emphasis on open and airy designs, abundant natural light, and intuitive wayfinding systems. Terminal expansion projects are also in the works, providing travelers with more space and a modern, comfortable ambience. Art and culture. O'Hare intends to incorporate art and culture into its design, creating a unique sense of place. Public art installations, local cultural displays, and performance spaces will help travelers connect with the city's vibrant arts scene and heritage while waiting for their flights. Job creation. One of the most immediate impacts of the project is job creation. Thousands of construction jobs will be generated during the redevelopment phase. Once completed, the modernized airport is expected to support more employment opportunities, from airport personnel to businesses operating within the airport. Economic growth. A more efficient and modernized O'Hare will bolster Chicago's economic growth by attracting more airlines, passengers, and businesses. Improved connectivity will make Chicago an even more attractive destination for conventions and business travel, contributing to the city's economic vitality. Tourism. O'Hare's expansion and enhanced passenger experience are likely to attract more tourists to Chicago, further stimulating the local economy. The city's iconic attractions, restaurants, and cultural offerings will be more accessible to travelers passing through O'Hare. Impact on the aviation industry. The O'Hare Airport rebuild carries broader implications for the aviation industry as a whole. Competitive advantage. The modernization of O'Hare will enhance its competitive advantage on a global scale. As one of the busiest airports in the world, it will become even more attractive to airlines as a key hub for domestic and international flights. Operational efficiency. The redesign of terminals, runways, and air traffic control systems will improve operational efficiency. Reduced congestion and delays will benefit not only O'Hare, but also the entire air travel network, as smoother operations at major hubs have a cascading effect on the entire industry. Impact on the city of Chicago. Beyond the realm of aviation, the O'Hare Airport rebuild has far-reaching implications for the city of Chicago itself. Global connectivity. A modernized O'Hare solidifies Chicago's position as a global city. It strengthens the city's connectivity to major international destinations, making it an even more attractive hub for business, tourism, and international events. The $8.5 billion airport rebuild at O'Hare International Airport is not merely a construction project. It is a transformational endeavor that redefines the airport for the 21st century. With a rich historical legacy as a springboard, this project tackles long-standing challenges, embraces innovative design concepts, and carries profound economic and industry-wide implications. As the airport rebuild unfolds, it will continue to shape the trajectory of Chicago and the global aviation industry. O'Hare's journey from a bustling but outdated airport to a cutting-edge, sustainable, and globally competitive transportation hub is a testament to the enduring spirit of innovation and progress in the United States. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.